Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you ESPN Fantasy Football, how to change team name. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To change your team name in ESPN Fantasy Football, what you need to do first is head over and open up your ESPN Fantasy app. And then once you're inside here, what you need to do is just simply tap on login on the bottom of the options, and then once you tap on login, all you gotta do is simply enter in your credit shields. Then once you are logged into your account, tap on your fantasy football league, then go to the My Team tab, then tap the gear icon that is usually on the top right corner of the screen. Simply select team settings. Then once you're inside, tap the team name, logo and location, then enter your new team name, and once you're done, tap on save or the check mark that is shown to you. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.